welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Rabby Wallet, and in this video we are going to secure our wallet. Yes, if you want to secure your wallet, so must watch this video till end. In this video I am giving you information how to take the setting of auto lock your wallet. Yes, if you want to secure your wallet with from scammer or hacker, so you must enable this setting in your wallet. So before going to start this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptocurrencies, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here Urdu channel also available here. And simple go to my YouTube channel, click on video portion, then you will see here I have upload many videos about Rabby wallets, almost 18 to 19 videos I have uploaded. So if you are going to use Rabby wallet before going to use, so must watch all these videos. Video is very helpful for you. Okay, so you can see here the right top corner the Rabby wallet icon shown in front of me. I just simply click on here, and then the Rabby wallet interface is open in front of me. I'm going to enter my password. I have entered my password. If my password is correct, then my wallet will be open in front of me. Now my wallet is open in front of me, and when I open my wallet, so there is not any setting enable for auto lock. So if you want to save your wallet, let's suppose I perform some transaction on my wallet, and I leave my laptop, my wallet is not auto lock, so your wallet is not secure. So you must enable the setting of auto lock for your security. So how can you do? Simple is that you can see here the main interface is open in front of you of Rabby wallet, and the 6 number option is available here, more. Just simple click on more option, and now the first option is available here, auto lock option. Okay, let's simple click on it. Now you can see here the auto lock wallet is shown here. I'm going to again enter my password here and unlock. Click on again auto lock, and if you click on downside, so there's shown feedback, current version, supported chain, and auto lock timer available here. You can see here auto lock timer here. You need to set the auto lock timer. Simple click on it, and you can see here by default selected is never, means when I open my account, so my account not auto lock. So I must need to click on option any, like I need to select 10 minutes. After 10 minutes open my wallet auto lock, so will be performed. So going to click on 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes is available here, so you must select that 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes my Rabby wallet automatically auto locked and your account will be saved. So this is very helpful information for you. If you want to save your account from scammer, hacker, or unauthorized activity on your wallet, you must select this option, auto lock timer. You select the 10 minutes, minimum available here 10 minutes, and maximum available here 7 days, and you can also select the never, but I am not recommended to you select the never. You just select the 10 minute or 1 hours. It's depend on you. Okay, so I hope you properly understand how can you select the auto lock setting, or how to enable the auto lock setting in your Rabby wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.